We developed the LumiApp as a powerful but simple tool for sign makers. The LumiApp allows you to order components in bulk or on a per-project basis. It calculates the cost of each lightbox and immediately generates detailed assembly instructions and BOMs based on your dimensions. The LumiApp has 4 ordering types. A component calculated order ships only the number of parts the LumiApp determines your project requires. A bulk calculated order saves you money per component, as your project is calculated using bulk box sets rather than single components. You can order in bulk components we offer without needing to enter a project to be calculated. The cost order is employed when using your inventory. You can generate a component picking list and assembly instructions. It is also used for creating quotes for your customers. To use the LumiApp, go to the ordering page of our website. Fill out and send the form, and we'll process your application and email your username and password.